I've arrived at Eagles View. It looks like a stunning venue. Plugs are the rampant plugs, but it's very dirty. I don't know how the connection is going to work. There's 4 plug points here and a huge area for camping. And then there's another plug point over there. Down here at the bottom terrace, there's 4 plugs over here. And there's 4 plugs over there. Big area for camping. Some shaded, some not shaded. There's another post with 4 plugs by the ablution block. Dustbins. And ablutions. Scullery area. Washing troughs. Basins. Wheelchair friendly toilet. Urinals. Shower. Another shower. Toilet paper supplied. And the water is very hot and instant to gas burners here. Large grass area, a hall, and there's 4 more plug points there. And there's the entrance gates. Big fireplace. Free Wi-Fi here at the hall. Pretty good download and not too bad upload speed. I'm on my morning walk and hoping to go to the small waterfall. And yeah, dead end. Don't know where to go now. It looks a bit overgrown here, so I don't know, I've probably got the wrong road. I have to consult the map again. I took another route, the green route. That gate is locked, but I've taken the brown route now. And let's see where this leads to. According to the map, you can still walk all the way to the waterfall there, but I don't know if this is just purely from the weather with the branches that's closed off the trail here or if it's been closed on purpose. Very nice gardens, lots of grass, and all short, cut short, very well maintained. Just at the moment with all the rain, pretty sloshy wherever you walk. For the top of the hike to the viewpoint, got to come out the gate and then walk next to the campsite. There's a trail that leads off from the main track, and that sure goes right down to the river. That's a hiking trail. This here is highway. Now it's a bit overgrown here. Very overgrown here. Pity I couldn't get to the viewpoint, but too overgrown to walk here.